Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you fastly error unknown domain dot spotify.com error. So let's get started. So if you also face in your Spotify, okay, for example, if you listen to a song and if it does not work or the app server is down, it shows commonly. So to fix that, it is very easy. So you can just raise a query in your customer support, or the second thing you can try before this, as you can clear your existing data and do some small steps. So just go here into app, just click on I button, click on here storage, just click on clear data, just clear the existing data, okay, then open app again and login. So by practicing this some small step, it can be fixed. So by this way you can do it, and if you have any question you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.